It's working now. Stupid thing. I don't know. Oh dear. It's getting dark again. Ah, yes. But look at that clear sky. It's going to be lovely again tomorrow. Right, I can go now. It wasn't working for some reason. I was on blinking pictures, I was trying to start it. I was taking pictures rather than taking a video. Oh, right. A quick update on a video that I did about 2 months ago now. I did it on an electric bike, and I had a rate good at China, and I said that I was not going to buy anything else from China ever again. And considering my videos only get a few hits, well, you know what I mean, that video more or less went viral in respect of how many hits it got. I'll put a link in the description to it so you can see it, watch it again. But I've stuck to my word. I haven't bought anything new from China at all. Nothing new whatsoever. It's can't be bum, but I'm going right. So that's cool. Don't come, that's it, don't follow me. So yeah, I have stuck to my word. This is just a quick video to tell you that I have not bought anything from China, and I will never ever buy anything new from China again, because I don't believe the way they've handled the situation with coronavirus and put all the world in economic turmoil. Bloody fly, get at me head. And they've said nothing about it. It's come to fact that they knew about it in December. They knew about it, transmission from person to person in December, and still in January, didn't release it till middle of January. Oh, we'll let it go all the way around the world. Ha! Yeah, whatever. Anyway, that's my personal opinion, so that is why I am not going to buy anything else from China. Can't do with where I work and stuff like that, with things that, you know, we sell where I work. 90% of it must come from China. But it's about time the world stuck up for themselves. That's all I've got to say. I bought my GoPro 3 second hand, so it was already here. The GoPro 3 Plus. Yeah, will not be buying anything else from China. Bought a couple of beds. Because my son came to live with us again from uni. A couple of my new bed upstairs, double bed, and there was a double bed downstairs to put in the dining room. And they were made in the UK. I only paid that little bit extra, so I'm putting in the effort, because I think people should make a stand, because the government is so doing naff all. But then again, Pill Collective probably won't either, because they all want their little toys and games and everything else, don't they, for the kids. Right, I'm going to love you and leave you, and that was just a quick update that I have stuck to my word. I am not buying anything else from China. Sorry. Thank you very much. Taddy bye.